Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off True Tone on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first get into settings. Then scroll down until you find display and brightness, and right here towards the middle of the screen you can easily find the True Tone feature. By default this feature is enabled, and while this feature is enabled it will automatically adapt iPhone display based on ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear consistent in different environments. So right here you can easily, by hitting at that switcher, disable or enable this feature. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.